Hi everybody, hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for coming over to my channel. If you're on Facebook, thanks for watching. Thank you for everyone that's liking and subscribing. I love and appreciate all your support. So here is my first ER order and I'm really excited. I'll be honest, I don't even know all what I got. I got free, what? Lavender, awesome. Okay, so I did get these labels. So I got these essential bottle labels because with your premium starter kit, you get these 10 free sample bottles. And I thought about getting more sample bottles, but I thought about labeling and giving these out to friends and family. I've already given one out, the headache relief mix that I did for somebody. So I'm like, I wanted to get those. I want to like start mixing and matching and DIYing. I'm so into it. Thieves. Ooh, okay. So I got a Thieves sample packet because Thieves is like so you can use Thieves for a lot of reasons. You can ingest it. It can be for immunity. But the big thing is that it's like a cleaner. And so I wanted this so that I can put on my hands or add it to something, or also that I could give it away to other people. But I just really wanted that. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so Super B. Okay, a multivitamin. You guys, I need to do a video on multivitamins. I need to do a lot of videos. I need to do a lot of switching over to Young Living Life. So I did not realize that there are a lot of over-the-counter supplements that has a lot of preservative stuff, and some of it ain't good for you. That's why it can survive a nuclear holocaust and you can still have your gummy vitamins. So I am switching over my supplements. So another reason why I got Super B specifically infused with nutmeg is because it promotes cardiovascular health, promotes positive outlook, and healthy energy levels. So B vitamins, B6, B12, all that is like really good for energy. What's the first one? Lime. Did I order lime? I did. I ordered lime. I think I ordered lime. I'm like, what did I order? I ordered lime because I want to start cooking too. And then also I got Tangerine as well, free with my starter kit, just for directly with my starter kit from Young Living. Kids sent Sleepies. I didn't even know I ordered this. What the heck? I got stuff I don't even remember ordering. So, Tangerine is amazing. I didn't know how much of a citrus lover I was, and I'm totally sold. So I might use this in the diffuser, but I'm really interested in starting to use some of this for cooking. So that's why I got the lime. Okay, so I got the Kids Sleep Ease because it's recommended. I know, I'm on my iPhone, so let's see if let me get up there. So, I got the Kids Sleep Ease because I was recommended this as a great sleep aid, and it doesn't leave you groggy in the morning. So I was like, I love it. Oh my, okay, I'm freaking excited about this. So this is called the Ula Finance. So there is, so this Ula Finance, what? It says is the infused finance inspired by Ula essential oils blend has been specifically formulated to encourage positive emotions and increase feelings of abundance. This uplifting and inspiring blend also brings clarity and alertness. Boom. I can totally relate to needing some clarity and some alertness. So I have Lavender Vitality. Some people, a couple of people have asked me, and this is one of the first things I asked, what is the difference between like these Vitality, actually I have my lavender that I use in my, what's the difference between these two? This one says Vitality, this one is just a regular Young Living bottle. So what's the difference? What's the difference in what's actually in here? And the answer is nothing. So the reason why there is a vitality line is because the FDA mandates how essential oils are packaged or labeled, and everything has to be properly labeled for usage. So it has to clearly say you can infuse it, you can ingest it, you can use it topically, but when you're talking about internal ingestion versus just like topical or diffusion, it has to be separate and separately labeled. So the exact same essential oil will be found in these 5 ml bottles under the vitality line. And so a lot of people, and plus when you're wanting to cook with stuff, you don't need 15 mLs of lime, because usually when you're cooking with essential oils, they're so highly concentrated that you only need 1 or 2 drops. Literally every recipe I've looked at, 1 or 2 drops. So I'm okay with 5 mLs, but no, there's no difference between your regular Young Living bottles and your Vitality bottles. Just to FYI. Here, oops, the mother load. Energy. So one of the first things I focused on, again, when I, that's a lot of light right there. When I first got the product guide and there was literally 41 things that I wanted, I had to focus in on what was important. And to be honest, getting essential oils that I could blend in my diffuser or use topically as roll-ons, and to really help me with like fitness, mental health, well-being, like clarity, motivation, energy, things like that, were my own, starting with my own personal health, was most important to me. I feel like I'm gonna hurt myself. That it? Oh my gosh. I feel like that was a lot for my first oil, or my first ER. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I got a lot of good firsts, I feel like. The next one is another Oola product. This is called Oola Balance. I should have I didn't remember what I ordered, but otherwise I should have pulled these all up for y'all. Oola Balance is designed to align and balance your center for a positive outlook and amplify the ability to focus on passion, behaviors, and health when diffused. So again, this is another thing that's going to help center you, help calm you, help make you a little bit balanced, and I think really help focus you. So I'm super excited about these blends. I got a whole bunch of good stuff. Okay, so I love this. Okay, so this is the Young Living Pet from the Young Living Pet line, or Animal Sense line, and this one is called T-Way. So I got this for my dogs. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little paw print on there, and it's adorable. I just got this for my dogs. I want to get a couple of different animal blends to help with smell and any kind of aches and pains that they may have, any kind of anything that I might need to treat them with. Also pests, it's one of them actually has something to kind of deter pests. So and something that's a product that's all natural. So I'm super excited. So I got my first pet. So I got a blend of stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do for next month's ER order. That's one of the great things, is that I'm able to customize it and spend as little or as much as I want, but I can focus on health one month, I can focus on cleaning products, and I can focus on food or something. So I don't know, but I am super excited about all of this stuff that I got this month. Let me know in the comments if there's something that you have of this, and if you like it, if you love it, or something that you recommend, or something you have questions about, and I will try to answer it. But I am super excited. Thank you guys for joining me on this whole Young Living journey. Oh, look at that. So along in my kit, I got a little July. I got a little magazine. How cute. I just love the way this company is all about, I don't know. I feel so positive being part of the Young Living community. Oh, recognition. Nice. Ooh, citrus fresh Greek frozen yogurt recipe. What recipes? Okay, so I'm gonna let you all go. This video is way too long already. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.